If you want to connect Gmail to Outlook, Apple Mail, or your phone using IMAP, this video will walk you through the setup step by step. IMAP is the best option if you want your email to stay synced across all your devices, so when you read, delete, or move a message on one device, it updates everywhere else too. Before we start, make sure you have your Gmail address and password ready, and if you use two-step verification, you may need an app password instead of your normal Gmail password. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you to your Gmail account. If you are not already signed in, log in with the Google account you want to connect to your email app. Once you are inside Gmail, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear or cogwheel. After that, click See All Settings. This opens the full Gmail settings menu where you can control how Gmail works with other email apps and devices. On the top menu, find the tab labeled Forwarding and POP/IMAP and click it. This is the section where Gmail allows you to manage IMAP access. In the Forwarding and POP/IMAP settings, make sure IMAP is enabled. If it is not already turned on, enable it and save your changes. IMAP is what lets your email app sync with Gmail properly, so this is the key step before adding the account to Outlook or your phone mail app. Now open the email app you want to use, such as Outlook, Apple Mail, Samsung Mail, or the mail app on your phone. Choose the option to add a new account, then select Manual Setup or Advanced Setup if the app asks for it. When prompted for the account type, choose IMAP. Next, enter your Gmail IMAP settings carefully. For the incoming server, type imap.gmail.com. For the port, enter 993. Make sure SSL is turned on and set it to yes or enabled depending on the app you are using. For the username, enter your full Gmail address, including the @gmail.com part. For the password, enter your Gmail password, or if you have two-step verification enabled, use a Google app password instead. Take your time and double-check every detail before saving. A small typo in the server name, port, or password can stop the setup from working. If the app asks for outgoing mail settings later, you may need to enter Gmail SMTP details as well. But for the IMAP connection, the important part is the incoming server setup we just covered. Once you finish entering the settings, tap Sign In, Next, or Done, depending on your email app. Give it a moment to verify the connection. If everything is correct, your Gmail inbox should begin syncing inside the app. You should now be able to read, send, and manage your Gmail messages from that device. If you run into a problem, the most common issue is using the wrong password. If your Google account has two-step verification turned on, your regular password may not work in third-party email apps. In that case, you need to generate an app password from your Google account security settings and use that instead. Also, make sure IMAP is enabled in Gmail settings and that SSL is turned on with port 993. And that's how to set up Gmail IMAP the right way. Once it's connected, your emails will stay synced across all your devices, making it much easier to manage your inbox from anywhere. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.